Amphenol Sine Systems BoardLock Connectors are reliable, environmentally sealed connectors for heavy equipment, transportation, industrial, off-road, and other harsh environment applications. BoardLock headers can carry data or power, with ratings up to 25 amps and 250 volts DC. They feature a compact, durable, and lightweight design, and provide designers versatility with flanged or flangeless, straight or right angle, and snap lock or screw lock configurations. The connectors are IP67 when mated, can withstand high levels of thermal shock, mechanical shock, and vibration, and can be used at up to 125 degrees Celsius at their rated current. Various keying and color options are available, and all BoardLock connectors accept A-series components and other industry standard mating connectors.